Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hit subscribe. Today, we're exploring Dentitox Pro, the talk of the town for dental health. Check the link below. Imagine a liquid champion for oral hygiene, Dentitox Pro. Say goodbye to gum issues, bad breath, and infections. Nature's touch aims to redefine dental care. This video is your Dentitox Pro backstage pass. We're going deep into ingredients, perks, safety, and real testimonials, your one-stop shop for everything Dentitox Pro. Let's talk dental health. It's more than brushing. It's about a radiant smile and avoiding health pitfalls. Dental issues, uninvited guests at any age from decay to bad breath. Traditional care, dentist visits, cleanings, brushing twice a day, the drill. Dentitox Pro claims to be your oral care partner, shouting about healthy teeth, fighting gum disease, and more. Breakdown: C, D3, calcium, elderberry, licorice root, xylitol, and essential. Oils like peppermint and cinnamon are natural symphony for freshness. Does it live up to the hype? Dentitox Pro claims to be a hero for gum health, fighting inflammation and cavities. Bad breath, it's the dragon Dentitox Pro slays with peppermint and cinnamon oils. Reality check results vary. Dentitox Pro isn't a miracle for severe issues. It's a supplement, not a dental cure-all. Safety first. Consult healthcare pros before starting Dentitox Pro. Its quality, safety, and assessing your oral kingdom. Possible side effects: allergies, tummy rumble, or clashes with meds. The battle plan fine print. Consumer reviews: whispers from oral trenches. Some praise gum health, fresh breath, and smiles. Others: taste issues or no superhero powers. In conclusion, Dentitox Pro in the oral saga. It's a team effort. Your oral health needs the team Dentitox Pro. Your routine and dental visits. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more oral adventures. Until next time, keep those pearly whites shining.